morning! So, tapos na ako mag-pilates for today and I will try coffee sa Bababudan. So, I want to try their Golden Gate coffee. Let's go! So this is the Golden Gate time. Parang may honeycomb ata siya sa taas. And cream. Yeah. Sarap siya. Hindi ko pa minimix yan. Ayan. So I'm finally home. And tinake away ko na siya kasi bumili ako ng ice cream. Medyo mainit sa labas. Baka matunaw. So again, this is the Golden Gate. Yeah. From Brother Bababudan. I just bought some things from the supermarket. Just want to share with you yung favorite Ben & Jerry's ice cream ko. Bumibili lang ako ng ice cream dito if it's on sale kasi medyo mahal siya. I think the original price of this is like $12 or $13. So bibilin ko na siya if it's like 7 or 8. So today it's $7. And this is my favorite one, the Tonight Dough. Yan. So, pag hindi available to, kasi most of the time wala to eh. Minsan ko lang to makita. So, pag di siya available, ang favorite ko, the second favorite is Half-Baked. Yun lang. Share ko lang sa inyo just in case. Pero if you're not sweet tooth, baka hindi niyo magustuhan kasi medyo matamis siya. Yeah, but I really like this one. The Tonight Dough starring Jimmy Fallon. Yay! Yan, and I just bought some almond milk. Yung unsweetened yung binibili ko kasi medyo mahilig ako sa drinks. So, minsan nakakailang drinks ako in a day. So, para lang hindi siya masyadong sinful. And yun lang, and I just got some tuna. Stock lang kasi naka-sale din siya. Yan lang. And I got mama this one foldable bag kasi gusto daw niya nito. So, pag uwi ko, yan, dadalhin ko siya sa kanya. Para lang siyang ganito. But this one is a carrot. Kasi ang dami kong bitbit kanina, hindi ko na mahalukan yung carrot. So, I got her the strawberry instead. I'll get the carrot some other time. Happy weekend. So today is another Saturday and my friend and I are going to have a study date. Yan. So, syempre hindi ako yung magsa-study, kundi yung friend ko. But I will come with her and try out this study cafe na nakita ko lang sa TikTok. So, the name is O3. So, they do have a branch sa Brunswick at saka sa South Bank. Pero, I saw in Google na temporarily closed yung sa South Bank. Kaya, ito tayo namin yung sa Brunswick. So, ayun. Alright, I'll see you there. So, we're now here sa O3. Kasama ko si Kate, pero hindi pa siya naglalabas ng paraphernalia niya. Kasi kakain pa siya. Say hi! Ano?
Kasi wala nagbibit ng
Wala lang bit ng notebook kasi mga Gen Z sila. They're all using laptops. But meron ka namang may iPad naman siya. Yan. Let's eat! So I just want to share with you na I bought something from Tories. Dubai chocolate chewy cookie. Yung hype na hype ngayon everywhere. So I just want to show you. Yan. So I was surprised when I went there. Not only do they have the Dubai chocolate one, but they also have a ube flavor. So I got one of each and I'll just try it out. We're here at the Garden and Flower Festival here sa Melbourne. Showroom na outdoor. Kala mo naman magagaling mga plantita. Maghahanap lang kami ng mga papatayin.